If you've never made or heard of the Pegu Club Cocktail, keep watching on Let's Talk Drinks. Hi everybody. Today I'm going to create a cocktail that was created in the 1880s in Myanmar. It used to be called Burma back in the day. And it was drank at the Pegu Club, which was a special officers club for the British officers. And it was also resurrected by the great Audrey Saunders at her Pegu Club in New York City in the 2000s. Really simple to make. Pretty damn tasty as well. And the first thing that it calls for is 60 mils of a gin. I'm going to use the 18th Amendment Bar Australian Dry Gin, which is obviously our gin here at the 18th. If you haven't tried it yet, you need to check it out if you're in Australia. I'll have the links on where to get it down at the bottom of the video. Next up, we need 20 mils or 2/3 of an ounce of a dry Cuaracao. I'm using the Pierre Ferrand. If you don't have a dry Cuaracao at home though, I suggest that you could use like a triple sec or a Cointreau. It's just going to be a touch sweeter, that's all. Next up, 15 mils or 2/3 of an ounce of freshly squeezed lime juice. 1 dash of Angostura Bitters. I'm going to do 2 in this one because it's not like your normal Angostura bottle that, you know, lets a lot of the bitters out. 2 of an orange bitters. I'm using Regan's orange bitters, my favorite orange bitters. Gonna give that a shake. Don't forget also to chill down your glassware. Okay. I'm going to double strain it into a chilled coupette or a cocktail glass if you have one at home. It's kind of like a gin daiquiri or a gimlet. Looking at the specs here again, it's kind of like a, well, the gimlet doesn't have the dry Cuaracao, but I would say something like a gin daiquiri. And for a garnish, just going to use a lime twist, just to get those oils. Just drop it in there. That is the Pegu Club. Let's give it a try. Oh, yum. Okay. For me, I would prefer it to be a little bit sweeter, like it needs a little bit of sugar syrup. However, this is the original recipe. If you've got a sweeter tooth, I would say definitely use Cointreau instead of the dry Cuaracao. Give it another try though. That's really good. Those bitters are coming through as well, but it's just really light, it's really refreshing. A lot of people that don't want a rum cocktail and they like that daiquiri, this is what I would definitely suggest to them. Give it a try. And guys, please like, subscribe, and we'll see you again soon on Let's Talk Drinks.